Your battery isn't filling, it's being drained. Hidden Windows processes are eating power every second, and most people never notice. Stay with me because in this quick video, I'll show you how to find them and shut them down in a minute. Subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Now let's get started. Most power drains comes from apps you don't even see running, okay? So to find hidden power consumers in Windows, we are going to right click on the taskbar and then we click on Task Manager. So at the Task Manager on the processes, we are going to right click on the name and then we enable power usage, okay? And then we right click again and then we enable power usage trend, okay? So at the power usage, you see the applications that are consuming power, okay? So you can see it from here. If it's high, you can see it high or very high. If it's low, you can see it low or very low, okay? So to end application that is consuming power, you right click on that particular application and then you click on end task, okay? So this is the first step to find hidden power consumers in Windows, okay? So now the second step is to find background applications that are also consuming power. So to do that, let me close this. We are going to click on the start and then we click on settings. So at the settings, we are going to click on apps. So at the apps, you are going to click on installed apps, okay? So at the installed apps, I'm going to scroll down, okay, to Instagram, okay? Then I'll click on the three dots. Then I'll click on advanced. So at the advanced, you see background apps permission, okay? I've turned it to never. But in your case, you see it on the power optimized, but in my case I've turned it to never, okay? I don't want it to consume power, okay? And then you scroll down again, you see check battery usage, so you click on that and then you can see energy recommendation that is there and the power mode and everything, okay? So battery usage, you can click on the down arrow and then you can see the battery usage, okay? If it's on battery, you can see it because I'm charging it currently, okay? And then when you scroll down, you can see some applications that are on battery, okay? Battery usage per apps. So when you click on the three dots, so let me click on the three dots for the settings. You can manage background activities, okay? So if I click on that, you see it's on power optimized. So I can turn it to never, okay? So that it wouldn't consume much power, okay? So you can go back and then you check the applications that are consuming power or the background applications that are consuming power, okay? And the third thing we are going to do is to find the battery report, okay? Or we are going to generate battery report to see the status of the battery. So to do that, we are going to right click on the start and then we click on terminal with the admin, okay? So I'm going to click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So at the terminal, we are going to type this command, okay? Power CFG space / battery report. So I'm going to generate the report for my battery, okay? So you see battery life report saved. So this is the location it has saved the report, okay? So I'm going to navigate through that location and then we can see the reports of the battery status, okay? So to do that, I'm going to click on the File Explorer. Then I'll click on the local disk C, and then I'm going to double click on the users, okay, and then my username. So this is the battery report. If I scroll down, you see battery report. So if I double click on that, it's going to give me the battery reports of the battery in my laptop, okay? So this is the battery report. So this is the computer name, the system product name, the BIOS, everything with regards to the battery, okay? Installed battery. So you have everything here, okay? So this is the battery report it has generated, okay? It's a whole lot, okay? So you can see the battery usage as well, okay? Battery drains over the last 7 days. So you can see everything from here, okay? So this is how to find the hidden power consumers in Windows. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.